Hi everyone, good afternoon. Buang is over there. He's doing painting. Yeah, while I'm resting. Sana all. Yeah, we love you too, Mr. Boo. Okay na. Kalas. Keep going. Continue what you're doing. Yala. Hala. Nabuang na siya, nabuang. So this is my rest time. Kaya, niingon akong amo nga, please, Rochelle.